How to create vision board on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can create vision board on Pinterest. Begin by opening your Pinterest application on your mobile device, and on the home page tap on the plus icon to create a new board. Here select board and add a title, vision board, and a year. Customize your board by choosing whether to make it secret or public. Then tap on the next button at the top of the screen. Now search for the image that represents your goals such as travel destinations, skincare, healthcare, dreams, etc. Tap on the search icon below, and here tap on search bar, enter your keywords related to your visions. Once you find the image you like, tap and hold it until the pin icon appears. Then slide your finger to that pin icon. Here select the board you created earlier. Repeat this process until you have added all the images you desire to your vision board. Once you are satisfied with your board, tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen and select Boards here. Tap on your vision board to view your creation. That's it, you have successfully created a vision board on Pinterest. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.